Smear it all around, Haven. Shoot.
Shoot is okay.
What are you doing with your cake, Haven? You feeding the doggies?
I think she doesn't want the cake.
She can't get it off her hand. She's like, this is sticky.
She's like, this is sticky. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Haven. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Do you know?
I don't know.
Okay, you know. Mama, I don't know if I'm going to be able to take Haven a bath.
Why not? You said you would take her and give her a bath after she ate her cake, right?
But I'm thinking about it. I don't really mean if I think about if I said
Is that yummy? Hey, what are you doing?
eating her cake.
What do you do with that cake? Is it good? You're kind of messy.
Sorry.
You're kind of messy. Yeah.
Here.
You just dropped more ice cream on your dress.
Where?
The ice cream that was on your fork.
Huh? I dropped more ice cream.
What's the matter with your hands? Huh?